Biryani is a delicious and flavorful Indian and Pakistani dish made with spiced rice and meat, usually chicken or lamb. Here's a simple recipe to make biryani at home. Ingredients: 2 cups basmati rice, 1 pound chicken or lamb, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 large onion, chopped, 2 to 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon ginger, grated, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 cup plain yogurt, 1/4 cup oil or ghee, 2 to 3 cups water or chicken broth, salt to taste, fresh coriander and mint leaves for garnish. Directions: rinse the basmati rice in cold water until the water runs clear, then soak the rice in water for 30 minutes. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat the oil or ghee over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until softened and lightly browned. Add the garlic and ginger and sauté for another minute. Add the chicken or lamb pieces and cook until browned on all sides. Add the tomato paste, cumin, coriander, garam masala, turmeric, chili powder, and salt. Stir to combine and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Add the yogurt and stir to combine. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pot with the chicken or lamb. Stir to combine. Add enough water or chicken broth to cover the rice by about 1 inch. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid. Cook the biryani for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the rice is tender and the liquid has been absorbed. Garnish with fresh coriander and mint leaves, and serve hot. Enjoy your delicious homemade biryani.